Hi, my name is Gavin Doyle and welcome to Examinate. No problem. So, students are preparing for the Leaving Cert the same way their parents did 30 years ago. Technology has evolved 100,000x, whereas education has stayed stagnant. Teachers face the problem of standing in front of a classroom of 30 kids with 30 different needs, and teachers are overwhelmed. The solution? Examinate. So we offered tailored education for students of all needs, whether that's building understanding for the strugglers or pushing the high achievers to their limits. We focus on exam style questions, which then gives teachers more time to actually teach. How do we do this? AI powered adaptive learning. So smart questioning, which change in real time, interactive feedback, so students can upload images and get instant grading, custom question generation, exam style questions made for the level and needs of the student, progress tracking and insights, letting the students know where they're good and where they need to improve, and then seamless accessibility. A little bit about me. My name is Gavin Doyle. I'm a qualified PE and maths teacher. I'm from Dublin, Ireland. I've been teaching in classrooms since 2017. I've roughly 3,500 hours of teaching experience. I spent this summer teaching myself how to program, and from that, I've built the Examinate prototype completely solo. So we are currently beta testing with 50 students and teachers across Dublin. We're partnering with three schools, and we have our MVP launched, which is focusing on Leaving Cert Maths. Our next goal is to scale up to about 500 students before the end of this academic year. Some teacher testimonials. Some teachers think the potential is massive. Other teachers have been using this in their classrooms and they've seen an improvement in their students already. And a previous StudyClix employee says this is everything that StudyClix is missing. So market opportunity. Our short-term goal is to have roughly 5,000 users by the end of 2025. Longer-term goals, we want to break into the US and the UK. In Ireland, there's about 63 million spent every year on private tuition. That goes up to about 6 billion in the UK and 15 billion in the US. Looking at our competitors, the issues with StudyClix is they rely solely on a finite resource, which is exam papers. Only one set of exam papers coming out every year. Similarly to Simple Study, it's not accessible to all. It's only used in a select few private schools, and their study methods don't align with how maths is taught in schools. With Examinate, our advantage is we have an infinite amount of AI generated questions. Our learning is adaptive and it's personal to the student and to the student's needs. Our go-to-market strategy targeting our customers, which will be students and parents, will be through social media marketing and then offering referral incentives. Our strategy to hit schools and teachers would be to have teacher representatives, as well as building school partnerships, with the potential of engaging with the Department of Education. For our business model, we are going to run a freemium subscription model where the free tier offers one question per day on a limited number of topics. The basic tier will give us question access. Then our premium tier adds more with the custom feedback and unlimited practice. We will also offer a teacher dashboard where teachers will be able to create assessments, tests, quizzes using our app, as well as being able to integrate into their own classroom. Our current roadmap, Q1, we plan on launching a mobile app. Q2, we're aiming for 500 users. For Q3, we have the summer to continue refining and polishing up the app. Q4, we're going to transition to a paid model. Then by the start of next year, we're going to partner with schools and expand our Leaving Cert subjects. So why choose Examinate? Well, I'm a founder with deep industry expertise. I have been in the classroom. I've seen the challenges. I know what it's like to teach in a high performing school, in a low performing school, and what the range our country has in terms of their education system. I can execute fast and I have technical ability. I'm a self-taught coder. I built this prototype solo and it already has 50 plus users. There's a real demand for this in the market. It's very scalable. Education isn't just in Ireland, it's worldwide. And I believe that personalized education is the next step forward. Bottom line, this needs to exist. Every child deserves the best education that's tailor made just for them. This is currently the worst the product is ever going to be, and I'm going to continue working day and night until this is the number one most useful app for students learning. Thank you for taking the time to listen. I'm Gavin Doyle, and this is Examinate.